This video shows how Scan Circle partners can automatically log computer specs and scans to tickets in My Gadget Repairs. In My Gadget Repairs, first create a new ticket for a new or existing customer. You don't need to specify any device information like model or serial number. Clicking the Add New Ticket button will generate a new ticket number, shown at the top left corner. Next, do a Scan Circle scan on your own scan page and enter the generated ticket number. Hit Enter to download and run a single scan. When you now print the customer receipt, it will contain the model and serial number from the scan. If you intend to update the ticket in this pop-up screen while the model and IMEI/serial number are not yet filled in, make sure you click the Refresh Ticket button in the top right corner. You will also see that the scan is added as a comment, more about that later, and that the ticket is now associated with a new asset, containing the computer specs from the scan. And that the customer asset label also contains the model and serial number. Now repair the computer, taking into account the problem reported by the customer and the Scan Circle advices, and do another scan with the same ticket number as reference. Before returning the computer, print the comparison report between the first and the last scan and return this with the computer to your customer. The scans are listed as internal comments and show the scan date, time and the scan score. If the scan is done in partner mode or if a new asset is created, this will be indicated. You can open the scans by clicking the link. By default, changes to the computer specs are logged as internal comments too. You can update the specs manually or automatically or ignore any changes. This can even be specified for each field individually. To use this functionality, first log into My Gadget Repairs, go to Third-Party Integration, find the Scan Circle Computer Diagnosis integration and click Configure. If you don't have an API key yet, one will be created automatically and will be sent to you by email. You can also create a new one. Don't forget to click Save Configuration to automatically perform all the required initialization in My Gadget Repairs. Next, log into your Scan Circle partner environment and open the Notifications tab. Select the My Gadget Repairs destination and enter your My Gadget Repairs API key. Click the Check button to check the integration and OK to store this. Optionally change the email address for anonymous scans, unmatched scans and referrals, and finally click Save. To change the default behavior, please tab through the standard and the advanced fields and check the notes in the right-hand margin. Also check the Scan Circle Partner Forum on how to use this on your own website and in your own day-to-day procedures. More information about the Scan Circle Partner Program and My Gadget Repairs can be found using the links listed below. This concludes this video. Thanks for watching.